Craving something bold? Let's jump in and make this sausage egg in the hole sandwich that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even if you like brunch. First thing first, I have some spinach here. We're gonna make this a complete meal. It's gonna wilt down to nothing. I'm just gonna chop it. I just added the spinach to a bowl of water to remove any dirt. All right, I'm gonna take 1 clove of garlic, remove the end, and we're just gonna chop that. I have some spinach that's been soaking. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. While we do that, we're gonna take care of the sausage. So you could use any type of sausage. Here I have a sweet turkey sausage. It's already seasoned, so I don't have to add any salt to it. Okay, then I'm gonna take it like this. Now I'm gonna add some oil, some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna crank this up to about a medium heat. I'm gonna take this turkey sausage, just gonna fold it together. Go this way, and just give that 30 seconds. Take some parchment paper. After 30 seconds, okay, pull it off and let that cook. I'm gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Put this over. I'm just gonna break this up so we can divide it in half for the bread. It's cooked. Pull that off. All right, let this pan cool off a little bit, and going back in with the garlic. Let that go for a minute. Spinach is going in. Let the steam. Okay, it's done. So eggs in the hole. It's a classic recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make it. You're just gonna punch a hole. So I'm using sourdough. If you have a bread preference choice, use that. I gotta kind of punch it out. And we're gonna not waste this. We're gonna cook this as well. That. And we're gonna head over here. Touch of oil here. A little bit of butter. We go with the bread. Let it get toasted first. So we're going to toast it on the other side first, so we got some crunch to it before we add the egg, because if we just add the egg, it might get a little bit soft. So I want to have some texture in there. Alright, now we're going to flip this over. Perfect. Touch more oil. Now we're gonna go with the egg. Break it up here so the whites cook faster. Now we're gonna add some cheddar cheese. Touch water. And we're gonna steam it for a minute. I'm going to take the sausage, spinach right on top. Take that other piece that's crispy now. Okay, so there you go, and then you just fold it over. Okay guys, here, enjoy. You can add some salt if you like to it. There's enough salt in the turkey, so that's fine. You can always salt the eggs if you'd like. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm reminded of another creative, interesting Kyle's Creations breakfast recipe, which is a souffle omelet with seaweed. We whip the egg whites up, make it nice and fluffy, give you a different texture. So there's a couple different variations of recipes you can make. As always, stay tuned for the next episode and take care. Bye guys.